Dear student, this is Kamrun Nahar, your science miss. Today I am going to discuss about topic work. We use the term work in various ways in our daily life. But in terms of physics, the word work is well defined. Work is the product of force and displacement. Now I come to explain. If a force F is applied on any object and the object traverses a distance s during the application of force, then the amount of work W done by the force is W equal to Fs. That means if force is applied on any object and the object traverses a distance, then the work is done. In addition, I want to say that work is two types. One is positive work and other is negative work. Work done by the force is known as positive work. And the negative work is if work is done due to the application of force, but the energy is taken off from the object is known as negative work. Again, I am telling giving energy to the object is doing positive work and taking away energy from the object is known as negative work. The unit of work is joule. Dimension of work is ml square per t square. We have known that work is a scalar quantity, though force and displacement are both vector quantity. Scalar quantity means work is expressed by magnitude, but force and displacement are vector quantity. That means they are expressed by both magnitude and direction. Again, I am explaining what is work. Work is the product of force and displacement. Why I am not explaining it as distance? Because distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. So I am explaining it as if a force is applied on any object and the object traverses a distance during the application of force. This line is very important. During the application of force, then the amount of work done by the force. That means force is mandatory for completing work. And the distance traversed is also important for accomplishing a work. Work is the product of force and displacement. The unit of work is joule. Dimension of work is ml square per t square. Okay, so we are very clear about our work. Work is a scalar quantity, though force and displacement are both vector quantity. It is clear, and this is very important definition for our exam, and we have to clear this definition. These two things are very mandatory for accomplishing the work. If a force F is applied on any object and the object traverses a distance s during the application of force, that means the distance that the object will cover during the application of force, then the amount of work will be done, and we can calculate work by this formula W equal to Fs. Okay, thank you.